Good morning, everyone. This is Sajin with you from the Dock Training web series. Today, I'm really excited to showcase our Dock Intranet Portal with minor edits in terms of the user interface and the graphics. And also, we have brought in some pretty good enhancements in terms of search capabilities. So here I am in front of you showcasing our latest dock. As you see here, we have made minor changes to the slider or the content rotator basically. Also, we have brought in pretty good icons, and also we have a next tab. So what we had earlier was a view more basic button, so we have taken it out, which makes it more appealing. The features are all the same, but we have brought in some enhancements for the upcoming events. It's not an email list anymore, so it's got much more clean listings that we have over here. Also, something new on your button is Let's Celebrate. So earlier we had an Employee of the Year feature where we had just one person's image with all the details being listed, but right now what we have is we brought in a celebration kind of a widget where you'll be able to see the employees anniversary or new hire details. So all these details can be captured over here. And we've also played with the color combinations for the tiles. Basically, if you can see the edit button, it's much more clean. If you see the add and the delete button, so we have made it much more stable basically. So it's much stable version than the previous dock that we have. All right, so that's our landing page. So let me go to my department portal. So if you see here, we have combined accounting and finance. We brought in as a separate module. So we have sales, accounting and finance. We have human resources, IT, training and marketing portal. So moving further, so this is our sales. This is our finance portal basically. So where what we have done is we have brought in the feature for tags separately. So whatever records goes into your system or into your document folders, you can set up a tag which is going to help your search more enhanced. You can go and search for it, and then based on the tags, you'll be able to find out your documents much easier. What I'll do is I'm just going to click on financial reports, and then you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. So here I have all my financial reports. It's been listed over here, when it's been modified, who has created this document, and we have an additional field called tag, where we'll be adding up tags in the term store in SharePoint. Admin will go ahead and add new terms. Specifically, you need to define your tags basically, so that whenever your employees are searching for something, they can just go by these tags. They'll be able to find out information much easily basically. I'm just gonna search for this. Let's see how the search works now. There you go. So whatever documents related to the financial reporting. So doesn't matter. You don't need to type the whole tag. Probably you can split it up, or you can just enter the first two words, and then you'll be able to see that. So these are the documents related to financial reporting. I can also, streamline my search based on the file types, also the authors, and also with the modified date. So that's how I can, make my search much easier. Now these are the results which follows on finance portal. So if I go outside and do the same search, it's going to search the entire site. All right, so that's about that. And then what's next? Okay, that's the location feature that we have added now. So if you see here, you have a map here, and you'll be able to add in locations. Let's say organization having let's say 3 or 5 regional offices. So what you can do is you can add in your locations. Basically, what we have done is we have also linked it with Google Maps, so that let's say now this Stevens Soft Incorporated sales office is in Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm just going to click on View Map. I get the exact location of where this office is. So same thing goes, like now we have Jacksonville here, Regency, yes, so that's over there. And the next one's in New York, right? So when I keep changing, I mean, when I click on View Map, the map disappears, it changes over here. So that's the location map that we have brought in over here. And also moving further on, let's say I have 3 offices, right? So I click on Atlanta. What I can do is I have a separate page for each locations where, you know, employees, they can go in and see, or, you know, what are the addresses, the location contacts, and the posts by the users here. They can have a chat over here. They can put in images or, you know, start a conversation. They can put documents related to this specific office or maybe even the location. So, you know, if next time if you're flying to Atlanta, you can just probably open Dock and then visit the site, and you can go ahead and check out the documents, which is going to make your trip much more easier. Also, you have a calendar on the side, on the right-hand side, where you can keep track of the events that's happening in this particular city. Same thing goes with the location. So you can keep adding a lot of like locations if you want. That's one feature that we have added over here. Also, if we have the training portal, we have made a much more cleaner interface here. And then we have the projects again, you know, so what we have done is we have added like a couple of icons over here. So, you know, if you'll be able to find out how many documents you have for downloads, if you have any events, and if you have any pending tasks, right? So this is basically a project dashboard. So you'll be able to see an overview for how many documents or what are the events or what are the tasks that you need to act on, basically. The one which shows in red means it's inactive. The one in blue is it's actually in progress. So that's how that's about the projects portal. So if you see here, we have brought in changes to the colors, so the color combinations. If you see the colors are much more neat user interface, nice and clean, visually appealing. That's what I really wanted to call. And most of our customers are really happy about this. They've been giving us a very good feedback. So, well, that's it from my side, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel, and I'll be coming up with more and more videos and features. So stay tuned and have a great day.